Alright guys, so after 2 hours on the edger, I'm gonna hop on the big machine, make the second pass. Now I'll go ahead and I'll do the rest of the upstairs just the same way. Take the sander, do underneath all the baseboard radiator heat. Scraper, file, there's nothing like a new file. Let's do it. Alright guys, time to ride the buffer. Let's do it. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna sweep it up, then we'll let it air out a little bit, let the dust settle, and then we'll vacuum and then get ready to coat. Here we go. Time for the magic. We're going to give the floor the color. We're going to do 3 coats the same exact way. The job will get 3 coats of polyurethane, and then I'll show you the finished pictures at the end of the video. That's it. I'll go ahead and do the job. And like I said, we'll do 3 coats. We'll do this process 3 times over. And then this is what it looks like at the end.